So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fill out your IRS W-4 form for 26 the right way. The W-4 form helps your employer determine how much federal income tax to withhold from your paycheck. Filling out correctly ensures you don't owe too much or get too little back at tax time. So how to do this? Let's get started. First, enter your full name, enter your legal first and last name, social security number, write your SSN address, provide your home address, filling status checkbox that applies to you, single or married, filling separately. Married, filling jointly, head of household. If you're single and support a dependent, if you have more than one job or spouse also works, this section helps adjust your withholding correctly. You can choose one of the following. Use the IRS tax withholding estimator online for the most accurate result. Claim dependents. If your income is $200,000 or less, enter $2,000 per qualifying child under 17. Enter $500 per other dependent. This helps reduce your withholding based on eligible tax credits. Additional tips were review and update your W-4 each year or when your life changes, such as marriage, a new child, or a new job. After submitting, check your paycheck to make sure the correct amount of tax is being withheld. The goal of filling out your W-4 is to make sure you don't owe too much or get an overly large refund at the end of the year. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.